In the fast-paced, precision-driven world of PCB manufacturing, maintaining exceptional quality is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. With numerous processes and data points to monitor, controlling defects can be challenging and resource-intensive. Without comprehensive traceability, hidden problems can escalate into costly production delays, increased rework rates, and reduced customer satisfaction. Limited visibility turns minor issues into significant operational setbacks, impacting both efficiency and bottom-line performance. How can manufacturers achieve consistent quality and reliability in such a complex environment? Meet DFS's intelligent traceability solution. Seamlessly integrated with existing and new MKS's Atotech equipment, it doesn't just monitor. It provides real-time, actionable insights at every step of production for every single PCB. Our solution captures every detail, every parameter, every anomaly, crafting a complete, real-time production story for each PCB. Now, identifying and resolving quality issues is not just possible, it's efficient. Additionally, each team member has access to the data that is most relevant to them. Process engineers can monitor live process parameters and optimize recipes to achieve peak efficiency. Quality control engineers can ensure consistency by tracking quality metrics and flagging anomalies before they escalate. Maintenance engineers can review equipment performance, predict maintenance needs, and prevent unplanned downtime. Unlock the potential of our intelligent traceability solution. Achieve up to 80% faster issue resolution, reduce downtime by 40%, and boost operational efficiency by 60%. Guarantee quality, ensure compliance, and deliver customer satisfaction with every batch. And this is just the beginning. Soon, our AI-powered alerts will not just detect, but predict quality issues. By recognizing patterns linked to defects, the solution will empower you to make adjustments before problems occur, saving time and resources. And even more, the control loop function will be able to interfere with the equipment to automatically manage the required actions. Elevate your quality assurance to the next level with MKS's Atotech DFS AI-powered traceability. Schedule your consultation call with us today and take the first step towards your solution. Click the link in the description to learn more about this product.